Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Leave a like, comment, share and subscribe. Today I will talk about the golden era of makeup YouTube, how I became a shopaholic and why OG brands are dying. First let's start with Morphe, the biggest example of why there is no beauty in the beauty community. 2016 was the golden era of Morphe codes. I could not go to a basic tutorial with a Morphe code shoved down my throat. I don't want the 10% off at checkout. Jacqueline, worry about your hairy lipsticks first, and maybe do quality control before another vault. Morphe has one of the worst quality products I have ever tried, dusty barely there, and it's not so pigmented, you guys. I have had this palette for a year now, used it 5 times, wiped everything after. I grew up in high school with the cancelling and racial scandals of beauty gurus who didn't really do tutorials anymore, and Morphe collects such YouTubers like Infinity Stones. During these past 2 years we saw a big change to the good old YouTube. Tutorials are once again the it, because we don't buy as much crap as we used to. Of course there's still reviews of makeup, but not as we used to. The overproducing of cosmetics is concerning and it's a waste of resources and a big cause of pollution. ColourPop and Revolution are the main brands that come to my mind. It's easy to throw very similar and basic quality shadows in a palette and put more effort in the packaging, but we don't use the packaging. The over-releasing is already felt. Trendmood is a ColourPop page at this point and Revolution is getting rid of stock by selling it in Poundland. The waste is reaching concerning points and we are the ones who need to make it stop by buying good quality products that we actually use and not throw at a drawer and forget about them. We saw that Becca is going out of business. They have wonderful products but they don't have the beauty guru help mob because they didn't pay the right amount. Cough cough. Jacqueline Mac is no longer the it brand and I think that it's on its last steps. Huda is just a ig baddie makeup and for fake ig thumbnails that worked in 2016. Kylie should already stop because Therese no more hype. No more teens sucking on jars to get her lips. She dissolved them for FS sake. Fenty is just fine, nothing groundbreaking. You should listen to your instinct when you buy products and not gurus. They are the same ones who taught us that baking is crucial. It's not Jacqueline. God, I really hate that bitch. Even if I never watched her, I know a lot about her. I baked for 3 years straight, then stopped, and I found out that I don't have dry and flaky skin but oily one. Find your own way and don't buy everything they tell you, because I did that mistake and I spent almost every penny I had on makeup that turned out to be fine or horrible. BH Shadows, Beauty Bay and Sample Beauty have a quality